Hello guys. So today in this video, we're going to create a double exposure effect very easily in Photoshop. First import the model image into the Photoshop. Then remove the background of the model. If you don't know how to remove background of the image, I have created a tutorial how to remove background in Photoshop. You can check the video to remove the background. Let's continue. Go to Image and then click on Adjustments. And then hit Desaturate or simply click Ctrl plus Shift plus U to desaturate the image. Then import First Mountain Image or any image that you want for this effect. After that, right-click on the image and click on Create Clipping Mask. So here we have created the clipping mask. Select the image and press Ctrl plus T. Right-click on the image and flip it vertically. Place the image as you want. And then click on Mask option to create a mask. And erase the unwanted area. After this, import the second image. Do the same step. Right-click on the image and then click Create Clipping Mask. Then adjust the image as you want. Now go to Layers panel and click on Mask option. And remove the unwanted area. Then go to Layer panel and click on Adjustment Layers option. Select Solid Color option. Then select the color same as the model's head. Here you can see. So we have created a double exposure effect very easily in Photoshop. If you have any queries regarding this tutorial, please let me know in the comments section. Now we will give it a little bit of retouching to look image more realistic. Right-click on the image and click Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filters and click on Camera Raw Filter. Now you can adjust the image according to your need. If you want the stocks, I will put the link in the description box. And if you want the Psd file of this effect, you can check my Patreon page for the file. I will post the final result on my Instagram page. So, I hope this tutorial assisted you a lot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.